2019 is the year for hair accessories, so we've brought you some of our favorites. Start by sectioning off the top and hold it in place using a clip. Use a tong with a large barrel and begin curling your hair, starting with the sections at the back and gradually moving towards the front. Once you're done with that, release the top and curl the rest of your hair as well. Make sure you curl inwards for that vintage effect. Use hairspray to lock in the curl and gently brush your hair out to create smooth waves. Spray some product onto a fine-tooth comb to smooth out one side and firmly tuck it behind your ear. We chose these pearled bobby pins for a vintage feel, but you can go with any that you like. Detangle your hair thoroughly and make sure you start with the middle parting. Braid a small section of hair towards the front. And secure it with an elastic. Repeat this step on the other side as well. Pin both these braids together to the back of your head with a bobby pin. Take another section right above the ear on both sides and braid this as well. If you don't want the bobby pins to show, you can replace them with invisibles as well. Add a colorful bow to finish off this trendy hairstyle. Pull back your hair from the temples into a ponytail using a rubber band. Make sure the rubber band is in the center. Position the clamp right above it and push it into place. Pull out your ponytail from the center of the clamp and take off the rubber band. Smooth out your hair to finish off this look. Take two sections from the front where your bangs would ideally be, twist each one and pin them to the back of your head. Nothing screams summer more than florals. Tuck each floral hairpin delicately into the twists to achieve this beautiful hairstyle. Let us know which hairstyle trends you'll be following this year. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.